the realest guy on this app. I'll take that any day. I'ma say, and this is a bold, outlandish statement, but I'ma say, out of everybody in the UK, I'm the most important all-around person on this app, because there are guys on this app that are more knowledgeable about property and they can teach you more about property than me. But can they teach you about gyal? There are guys that can teach you about gyal, but can they teach you about discipline? There are guys that can teach you about discipline, but can they teach you about getting respect from people, getting respect from your gyal? Okay, I'll throw my hands up. I can't teach you about swag, but when has swag ever raised good children? Never. So it's irrelevant. So if you people, because I know there's going to be a few laughs and giggles in the comment section, hey, feel free. I've never turned off my comment section on any of my videos. You can say what you want. If the comments get blocked and that, it's got nothing to do with me. People be talking cash money in the comment section. I'll go into, it's not blocked, but it's like comments that are under review. I approve them. You can say what you want about me. I will approve it. But if you lot think there's people on this app that are better than me in terms of being all-rounders, then put their name down. I beg. Because you're not going to find no one that's better than me on this app. Not from the UK. Yeah, like I said, there's man that can teach you more about money. They can teach you more about gyal. They can teach you more about swag. They can teach you more about money. They can teach you more about discipline. But can they teach you all of them at the same time? Me, I can teach man about pure different things. So I'm the best thing that ever come on this app. Bold, outlandish statement. If people think that there's better people than me from the UK on this app, put their name down. I ain't trying to start no beef. I'm just saying. So feel free to put down who you want in the comment section below, if you think they're better all around. Not just better than me in one field, better than me all around. Feel free to put them down in the comment section.